అత్యాధునిక టెక్నాలజీతో నడుము మరియు వెన్నునొప్పికి ట్రీట్మెంట్ తేజాస్ స్పైన్ కేర్ సోమాజిగూడ సైనిక్పురి గచ్చిబౌలి.
From my state, always while promoting India, I am having my own agenda. That is how to promote Andhra Pradesh. Earlier, I promoted combined Andhra Pradesh. I created best ecosystem Hyderabad. Because of bifurcation, it has gone to Telangana. Now, because of Hyderabad, 75% revenue is coming from Hyderabad for Telangana. Today, I can say proudly, Telangana highest per capita income in the country. All these things happened 25 years time. And also most livable city of our standards. Now, God has given me one more opportunity to create one more city. That is Amaravati. Hyderabad was a brownfield city. Amaravati is a greenfield city. Lot of opportunities. I am requesting all of you to have better name for tomorrow. You should be partners in building Amaravati. I am telling you, it will be the best city in the near future. All Indians can be proud of it. That is where we are planning in a big way. Another thing, we are planning for next 22 years, 15% growth rate. Then only we are going to become developed nation, but we should not trap in middle income group. That is also one more issue all of us has to keep it in mind. This is also important issue. 15% growth rate, 2.4 trillion US economy, from 2.66 lakh rupees per capita to 55 lakhs over a period of 22 years. All industrialists are here. You have done extremely well, sometimes 10 years, 20 years time. Why can't I do for my people? That is my determination. I am working in that direction. That is the one thing I wanted to inform you. Earlier, 95s, high-tech city, IT I promoted. Now Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence. That is my slogan now. First quantum computing is coming to Amaravati in India. TCS, IBM, L&T, they agreed to set up. Work is going on. By January, it will be in full operation. All of you I am inviting, use this quantum computing for better results of your business. This is where we have wanted to integrate all these things. Investment always I am using ease of doing business. Now I have changed my gear to speed of doing business. Now speed is very essence. Not only ease of doing business, speed of doing business. That is where we are doing. Recently, ArcelorMittal steel plant is coming nearly 1,43,000 crores. BPCL refinery in Ramayapatnam, and also Aramco also as partner. TCS is starting in Visakhapatnam, LG Electronics in Sri City, even Google, we are talking to them to invite to Visakhapatnam, and also with data center and also with analytics. That is the biggest facility they are going to create in the near future. Andhra Pradesh is well positioned. One is traditional industries, infrastructure, Anybody wanted to test also, you can test. I am assuring you, from the beginning I am giving this assurance. Once you file an application, it is my responsibility. Then from then onwards, we will work with you for execution without any problems. Even site selection, everything, all clearances, everything I will get it done in a record time. That is our assurance for all of you. Andhra Pradesh is well positioned for green energy. This is another advantage. Solar, wind, pumped energy, and also if you can produce green energy, transmission lines, storage, and also finally even green ammonia, nitrogen you can go, then ports are available. No other state is having this advantage. Some states are having some solar, some states may have some wind, but all put together, number one state for green energy and downstream industries, Andhra Pradesh for exports. You write down, you come to Andhra Pradesh, I will give you all the facilities in this regard. I am planning in a big way. As on today, if you see, our Honorable Prime Minister has given a announcement, 500 gigawatts. In that, we are going to provide nearly 160 gigawatts of green energy, only from Andhra Pradesh. Already 65 to 70 gigawatts we are able to come to understanding also. All composition put together, either solar and wind and pumped energy. This is the model we are working. NTPC and also our state government, NEDCO joint venture, 1,85,000 crores they announced for green hydrogen. Even AM Green Co, they are going in a big way for green energy. And also so many companies are showing interest. We are working in that direction. In Rayalaseema area, near to Bangalore, we are making high technology industrial hub from Lepache to Orvakal. There aerospace and also defense, electronics, automobile, drone, and all satellite. This is the combination we are working. Now this is a huge opportunities for both for defense and also civil purpose of usage.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.